Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is difference between general on-off timer and tentative last on-off timer in Mr. Bushi PLC. This is a lecture number 11 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our videos with your friends. As we know in our previous lecture, there are two types of the timer: on delay timer and off delay timer. But in this lecture, we will learn general timer and tentative, also called last timer. First one is general timer. During operation, if timer loses its input on status, then timer accumulative value come to 0 immediately, and again start to 0 if get input status on is the from. Okay, and second one, during operation if PLC loses its power, this general timer loses its current accumulative value and again start from 0 when PLC get power. Okay, these are two fault in general timer. Okay, but in tentative timer, last timer, during operation if timer loses its input on status, then accumulative value will not come to 0. It will store current running time and again start to from previous running value if get input status on. Okay, during operation if PLC loses its power, this tentative timer will not lose its accumulative current value and again start from previous running value when PLC get power. So last timer is opposite to general timer. General timer loses its stored value when input status on lose and power of PLC lose. Then general timer will be lose its current accumulative value. But in last timer, both cases timer will store its current value. And this is the operational manual of FX series. And you can see here in timer there are two type of the timer. One is tentative types and other is general. Okay, this is a 100 millisecond T250 to 255. This is a tentative 100 millisecond timer, but this is a general T0 to T191. You can see here. Okay, so we will make experiment. We will take T0 and T250 in our software. Create a project, PLCD FX CPU, PLC type FX3U. Take one input X01 and take a timer, general timer T0 K150. Okay, and add insert a row. And timer 1 also a general timer K50. Okay, and also take a latch tentative timer T250 K150. Okay, and we also take one more tentative timer T251. All these timer are 100 millisecond base timer. Both 4 timer has 100 millisecond base time, but these both are general and these both are tentative. Okay, compile the program and okay, and on your input you can see all timers start to run, but when I off my input, then these two timer value come to 0 and this timer has a cumulative value 41. And again start input, you can see this timer start from its previous value, but this timer start from 0. Again I will run. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is the main difference between general and tentative timer. Okay, if you want to reset this timer, you have to use reset command. This timer automatically reset when your input off, but this timer take one more command I will make for you here. Go to edit form, insert a row, use any input x02 and use reset command rst and timer t250. Also insert more in row and rst command for 251 timer 251. Okay, now compile your program and simulate the program. Okay, now I start my input. All timers start to work. Okay, but when I switch off my input, then general timer come to 0, but this port timer had its previous value 57. So for resetting over this timer, we have to use this command, and when I press this value on off, then our post timer is reset. Okay, again last one is the power, regarding PLC power. So I will on my input, and when I stop my PLC, you can see both timer lose is a cumulative value, but it has 45. When again I run the PLC, it starts from 45, 59, 40. Again stop, it's come again to 0. Okay, so for resetting this timer, I will press X02, run your PLC first, then you can check off this one. Okay, again start. But when I reset this program, its value will be 0. Okay, again you can check it. You can see this time had 36 value. Okay, and when I press X02 on, it go to 0. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question. Our team will be reply you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.